Okay, this is our second eye clip. This one is going to be on, our unit was on geometry, and this part of the unit was on coordinate grids. So today I want to show you how to make a foldable about coordinate grids. First, we've already learned about the first quadrant, so this is to introduce the children to the other three quadrants, to give them an idea of where they are, to give them something visual to study by. So what you first need is a legal sheet of copy paper, not the regular size, but a legal sheet. Now, the first step to do is to try to take this paper. It would be easy to put a little crease halfway in the middle of your paper, just at the top, so that you know where your middle portion is. Now, you would take each corner and fold it to the middle of the page. These will be our opening flaps, and it would open like this. Now that we have these, we'll take our scissors. We find the middle of this page and cut it in half here and on the other side here. Now our foldable has all four parts. These are our quadrants. Our first section here is quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Now, an easy way for the students to remember that is that the way we number the quadrants is to make a C. When we make that C, we start at the first quadrant, go around to the fourth quadrant. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once we have this done on the outside, we can open up the inside. We can make our grid lines or our X and Y axis to divide this. And then we can label them again in the inside with quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, and quadrant 4. Now that we've got this on the inside, an easy way to help the students to remember, if we have a positive number and a positive number, they're normally in quadrant 1. If we have a negative number and a positive number, that's quadrant 2. If they have a negative number and a negative number, that's quadrant 3. And if they have a positive first and then a negative, those numbers will appear in quadrant 4. You can give your students other notes to write inside this about those quadrants as well. And this concludes our iClip on making a quadrant foldable.